my gosh, every time I film here, I'm like, I can't believe I'm in my new house by myself. No noise, no nothing. So I want to share with you guys what I got. I got a few stuff that I just like slash wanted and slash needed, and I just want to share it with you guys. So this is the unboxing of the packages that I got today. I am collaborating with Shapewear soon, so they sent me some goodies, like a bodysuit and another bodysuit, another bodysuit, and another bodysuit. They sent me 4 bodysuits, but they're all in like different packaging. When I got it, I was like, what the hell is this? And I'm like, I love how it comes in this little thing. But I'm gonna be doing a Shapewear review soon, so stay tuned for that. It's basically just a shapewear. You guys know, I don't know if you guys know, but I know when I'm on Snapchat, I know someone asked me like, did you get your body done? And I was like, no baby, it's shapewear. Like, it's shapewear. So I'm gonna share with you guys all the shapewears that I wear to make me have that hourglass figure. So I ordered a whole bunch of stuff from Fashion Nova, and let's just open it up and see how everything looks in person, because if it's one thing, Fashion Nova stuff on the models look a certain way, and then when you get it, it's like, why that don't look like me? Why that don't look right on me, but it look right on her? Okay, so I want to show you the sneakers that I recently got. I think these are like really popular. I literally saw a girl in the train station with them, and I was looking at her feet and I was like, I like those. Took a picture of it, sent it to my mom. I was like, Mom, look at these sneakers, aren't they cute? Next thing I know, she comes to my house with a box of the same sneakers. That's how my mom is. If I tell her I like something, she buys it immediately. Like, she spoils me rotten. Anyway, so I got these sneakers. They're called, is that a hair? What are they called? The ASICS. I don't know how you pronounce it, but this is how they look. They're like a really pretty light blue with silver. So I got these. So I bought some stuff to match with the sneakers because I wanted just some new stuff to match with it. So I got these shades and they are so pretty. So I'm looking at this the same time as you. Like, this is, I'm opening it with you. Let me try these on. Oh my God. What? I feel like little Kim. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. And let me see, do they match? Yeah, they match. I mean, the blue is very subtle. It's like a really, well, maybe I can't see because I got the shades on, child. But yeah, it's like a baby blue. It does match. So I thought these would have been really cute to wear with the sneakers. And blue, I've been into blue lately. You guys know I love pink. But blue, I've just really been into that baby blue for the summer. Like, I even want to get my nails like baby blue. Like, I don't know, baby blue is just, it's given to me. So these shades they also have these in hot pink. Oh my God, I was gonna get the hot pink too, but I was like, I have enough pink shades that I don't even wear. Like, literally, I have so many pink shades and I don't wear them. I just wear my big dark black ones. So I'm like, I'm not gonna waste money and buy the pink shades if I'm not gonna wear it. But the blue is just, it's gorgeous. So I got the blue shades. I got this white romper that is just giving like party in the Hamptons vibes. Like, I'm going to the Hamptons for a party. That's what it's giving. Super like classy and really pretty. Oh, and the material is nice. Okay, so it looks like this. So yeah, it's a romper. So this is the shorts, and then it's a button up. It has a collar. Let me stand up. Yeah, but it's really lightweight. It feels really good. So I know this would be perfect. It also has pockets. Pockets are not that big, but I could put my big hands in them. So, you know, the pockets work. So I can put my hands in my pockets. But yeah, I think it's pretty cute. And I think it'll go cute with my white sneakers that I got here. I got an umbrella because I had a pink umbrella, right? I stole it from my sister. I went to her house, it was raining. She let me borrow her pink umbrella and I never gave it back, right? So that same umbrella, my mom took it and she actually brought it to my sister's house because she was going to visit my sister, and she left the umbrella there. So I took the umbrella and my sister got the umbrella back, and it was my favorite pink umbrella. So I had to buy, I found an umbrella on Fashion Nova. I didn't even know they sold umbrellas. They had like a Ed Hardy umbrella, a Versace inspired looking umbrella, but I got this one because it was so cute. And rainy skies. It looks like this. And I'm not gonna open it because I don't want to open an umbrella in my house. I'm listening to my mother now. Don't open no umbrellas in the house. So I'm not gonna open it, but this is how it looks. It's just like a, is it like army? It's like army fatigue, but it's pink. So I got a cute umbrella and it was on sale. Let me show you guys what else I got. Oh, so I got this outfit. I had to get it. It was like selling out so fast and it was so cute. It gives me boutique vibes. Like this top. Oh my goodness, look how cute this top is, y'all. Look how cute this top is. It's kind of wide though. What the hell? Why is it so wide? I got an extra large. I'm so extra. I don't know why I got it. But you know what? The bottoms, my bottoms need to be extra large because I'm very bottom heavy. Child, I'm very bottom heavy. So the bottoms, I needed to get extra large. The top could have been like a medium, but you know, when it's a set, it comes in the size that you pick. So yeah, this is an extra large, but I know this will probably fit me. It's a little bit open. I'll have to see like as far as like a bra, or I'll probably have to, because my boobs, child, they don't sit up, they go down. So I'm gonna have to get like some boob tape and like just hold them up. This is the bottom. Ooh, look at that. Let me show you guys the bottom of it. It's like a bell, it's like bell bottoms, the bottoms of it. Let's see. Yeah, this is in its high waist. This is gonna be so tea. So I wanted to show you guys how it looked in the mirror, because I know you guys could probably see it far away, but I wanted to show you how it looks in the mirror. So yeah, I love, love, love this outfit. Like, it looks so good on me. Oh. And I look so snatched when I have on a waist trainer, honey. See, like it's flipping up. I got a waist trainer on and it's holding on for dear life, but honey, I'm gonna eat what I want and I'm gonna look snatched this summer. Oh, I got this dress. It gives me boutique vibes also. It's selling out, like literally, it's probably sold out right now. Like literally the size I wanted a large. And I had it in the cart and I got distracted because I always put stuff in my cart and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna buy it. Then I'll get distracted and then I'll go back and it'll say this sold out. And I'm like, damn it. But then I looked at the reviews and the reviews was like, it runs big, so size down. So I was like, good, because I wear a large. So I got a medium because they said it runs big. So that's the only reason why I got a medium. If not, I would have just had to just been like, whatever, it's out of stock. But I had to get this. I'm gonna feel the material. Okay, the material is a little hot. It feels a little hot. I didn't know the material. I mean, the material looked sweater-ish, but I didn't think it would really feel sweater-ish. And it's, I don't know if I like this, especially in New York City heat. This is the dress. Look how beautiful this is though. Oh, look at the colors. It's just giving summer, 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 summer. I'm so obsessed with collars and button-ups now. I don't know why, but I'm in my like button-up collar era. I love it. This is how it looks, and I thought it would go perfect. I thought it would go perfect with these shades that I bought because it has blue in it. You know, with the sneakers I could probably wear, or some sandals, or I don't know yet, but yeah, I thought this was really, really cute. So this is how it looks. Yeah, I really, really like it. It's actually not, it doesn't even feel hot. I was lying. Like, it feels very, very lightweight, so I definitely could wear this in the summertime, but it is so, so cute. One thing about me, I am a homebody. I've been a homebody all my life. I love pajamas. And I found these cute pajamas on Fashion Nova. And I was like, I had to get them because these are my favorite type also. The ones that you just throw on, like you just throw it over and it looks like a granny outfit, but I love it. So I got this one. It says, I only accept apologies in cash, in silver. and it's just pink. This looks like a pink dress, but it's really lightweight. And yes, I love wearing this with my bonnet and just being in my room and AC on blast with my man or just by myself. And I just love a good pajamas. It's just so comfortable. And Fashion Nova, I would say their pajamas is top tier, like 5 stars. I've had this pajama for years. I have like a whole bunch. I bought like $100 worth of like pajamas. I did a haul on my channel, I believe. And I did that like 3 years ago, I would say, and they still fit. They're still intact. Obviously, I washed them a lot, no issues at all. So Fashion Nova really got some great pajamas. So I got that, and then I got, this is the last thing I got. I got this. I had to get this one because this is perfect for me, especially when my boyfriend's around. I love my attitude problem. I love it. It's same as the other one. It's black, it's long, it's lightweight, and it's so cute. Like, who doesn't love that? They had a bunch more, but I'm waiting for them to get back on sale because Fashion Nova has this thing where like they'll put like one day they'll have a sale and these will be like $5, and then the next day they'll be like $9. And I want the sale, so I'm not buying it if it's not on sale. So when the rest go back on sale, I'm gonna get some more. They have a lot more like cute little sayings and stuff like that. That's about all that I got from Fashion Nova. Kept it really cute and simple because last month I think I did a haul. I got a whole bunch of stuff, and you know, I didn't want to, I tend to like, I'm a shopper. Like when I'm not feeling well, when I'm sad or in my moods, I like to shop, and I have to be mindful, like you have to save your money. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and more content coming. I'm just taking my time and just getting settled in my house and, you know, getting used to a routine, and have a lot of new stuff going on too, as far as like a new job perhaps. So I'm in the middle of all of that. So once everything gets like, you know, like confirmed and official, I'll share that with you guys and film more. But until then, I will see you guys in my next video.